Hey everyone, it's Dan here from PixelFix and welcome to my channel. This episode is part of my Laravel 9 API development course, and in this course we will cover the most frequently used features of Laravel with regards to API development. We will also cover some more advanced features which might not be so frequently used, but it will be good to know how and when to use them. And as always, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and please remember to click the subscribe button and hit that notifications icon. In this episode, we will start off by doing the simple stuff, like installing Laravel from scratch, installing some dependency packages we will use during the course, as well as setting up our testing environment. Alright, so let's jump straight in and head over to the Laravel website. If you click on Get Started, it'll take you to the installation instructions, and the one we're looking for is the installation via Composer. So if you click on that link, you'll see it'll take you to the instructions for Composer. What we'll do is we'll just copy this command and then head over to our terminal. Now, wherever you want to create your project, it's totally up to you. I've created a projects folder on my C drive and I'm going to install this inside my projects folder. So I'll just paste in that command and start the installation. Now, this process could take a few minutes depending on your system. So what I'll do is I'll just pause the video here and come back when it's finished. Alright, so now that it's finished, let's navigate into that folder and open it in VS Code. Alright, so once VS Code is open, we'll start by hooking up our database. And we do so by going to the env file, and within the database section, which is this section over here, we add our database name, the username, and the password. So I've already set up a database called Laravel API with the username of Laravel API and the password of password. Now, in order to test this, we need to run our migrations. Now, a migration is a term or a file that you use within Laravel in order to set up your tables via a command line. And we do so by calling the PHPUnit migrate command. So once this command has completed and you don't have any errors on your screen, you can safely assume that your database has been set up correctly. You'll also see there are 4 migrations that has been run. Now, these migrations are things that Laravel provides you out of the box, and we won't cover them in this episode, but we will go into further detail in future episodes. So next we want to set up our testing environment, and Laravel makes it really easy because it provides excellent integration with PHPUnit, which is one of the most popular, if not the most popular testing framework for PHP out there. Alright, so what we want to do is in our phpunit.xml file, which is basically the configuration file for our testing environment, is uncomment these 2 lines. Now, the first line, the DB connection, just specifies the type of database you want to use for your testing. Now, the second line, which is the database, you specify the in-memory database, meaning that you won't use a physical database on your machine, but actually just one in the memory, which greatly improves performance. Okay, now that our config file has been saved, we'll navigate to the test folder on the left. You'll see that Laravel provides a couple of tests out of the box, but this is basically just to check that your application has been set up correctly. And we can do so by running the PHPUnit command. You'll see 2 tests ran, 2 assertions have been done, and everything is green. It means that your application has been set up correctly. We can also confirm this by running the PHP application on the local PHP server, which is done by running php artisan serve, and you can then navigate to localhost port 8000 to confirm that your application has been set up correctly. Alright, that's it for this first episode. So just to recap, we've covered the installation via Composer, we've connected the MySQL database and ran the migrations, we set up the testing environment using PHPUnit and confirmed the application was set up correctly. In the next episode, we will cover aspects relating to user account creation, registration, as well as login functionality using JWT tokens and cookies. So please stay tuned. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope this was informative. And if you liked this episode, please give it a thumbs up and remember to subscribe. This will help out a lot in order for me to bring you more content. Thanks everyone. See you later.